So today we're seeing the launch of the National Training Centres for the Advanced Therapy Skills and Training Network. And there's 3 centres so far that have been announced. There's ourselves, the National Horizon Centre, Roslin Cell Therapies in Scotland and the University of Birmingham. And we're providing training provision in advanced therapies, vaccine manufacturing and bioprocessing.
So the 3 centres are complementary in what they offer in terms of the skills, but they also mesh together to give a national footprint so that people are able to access this fantastic high quality training much more locally than they might have done with a single national centre. We have some rapidly growing industries which are desperately short of skills now and are likely to become even more short of skills in the future. And it's a national effort to bring more people into the industry.
That really is a national piece of work that this Horizon Centre is doing, and that's exactly what it was set out to be, a place that would become a beacon in terms of bringing people to the UK from abroad and also within the UK to actually work with people who are looking to train and to become part of our industry.
We want people to see science and in particular biomanufacturing and biosciences as a viable career option, whether they be school leavers or whether they be already in a career perhaps elsewhere in science or in engineering or indeed in the food sector perhaps, and see this as a place where they can upskill and transition into biosciences as a very viable career route. We're trying to look ahead and say what new technologies are coming into this industry, and if we can see what the technology is demanding, then we can build a skills provision to support that technology a lot quicker in facilities like the National Horizon Centre.
It's the partnerships, which is definitely the main thing. So it's great to actually put a lot of effort and see something come to fruition, but it's ultimately making sure that the UK industry creates kind of not just a sustainable baseline, but room to grow as well within the manufacturing industries. We can build the facilities, build the factories, but we have to make sure that the skills and the talent is ultimately there as the foundations to make sure that we are world class.
So the National Training Centres have been a really important and a really needed initiative, and we're really, really excited to be part of it. There are lots of bits of skills development happening across Scotland and across the whole of the UK, and what this is enabling is us to actually do that collaboratively, so we're not duplicating effort and we're really understanding the need from the higher education and further education sector and filling the gaps that are needed to be filled. There's a great expansion happening across the UK in life sciences, in particular in advanced therapies.
Very clearly here what we're doing is we are training for the future.